And so a simple question we made all the time is, how is it possible to generate profit with binary options if you don't have experience or don't have a bigger balance to start see a real profits on your trades or trading with binary options or forex, whatever. So basically, I think we have four rules, the gold rules, to start to generate profits with binary options in this case. So I'm gonna use in for this example the broker pocket options. If you want to use it, I'm gonna leave it the link below this video. You can open your account and testing this strategy using your demo account, not your real account. So the first thing and the good rule is have a writable strategy. So I'm gonna share this strategy and it's gonna be simple. It's so simple actually. And using the Bollinger Bands, using the stochastic oscillator, and using the RSI indicator. So the RSI indicator, we are gonna leave it in the period 6. The period for stochastic is 14, 3, and 3. And the Bollinger Bands, this is the period 5. You can set your settings with your pocket option account. So when and where we are gonna trade. So we are gonna use 3 indicators, and the 3 indicators are gonna help us to understand when or where the market is gonna change of the direction. So if you notice here in this example, we saw in the moment the blue line is inside my stochastic oscillator going up and the RSI going up, touching the 3 indicators, the overbuy. So it's the good moment to trade for a call for 1 minute. So this is the strategy. This is the first step. The second thing is have a writable broker. In this case, I'm using right now the broker pocket option, and I use it for a long time ago and request my withdrawals all the time. It always working well, and not just for me. You can search more information about them, and you're gonna find the same information. So this is the number 2. The number 3 is about how much money you have to trade. So if you have a balance to or over to $2,000, I'm gonna trade in only with 10% of my balance. And if you have too of the money around, you need to stop it and don't trade anymore. So control your balance is so important to trade tomorrow. So this is gonna limit with it. For advice, and is please never made over trade. Consider this. In the moment you start making over trading, you're gonna lose everything here. So if you're trading right now with this strategy, and if you notice it's simple to easy to understand it, to follow the steps, you're gonna have a writable trades, and you're gonna start to generate a real profits with your binary options account. But if you don't use in a good strategy, don't use in a good platform or interface with your broker, and trading with more of the 10% of your balance, you're gonna add this to in making over trading, you're gonna burn your account quickly. So my advice is follow these 4 steps to be a writable trader, and you're gonna have a better results in your trades in the future. So this is a short video. This is my latest results using this strategy. And I consider this is a good moment to take a break and trade tomorrow. So guys, I hope this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, activate the notification bell, put in practice this strategy using the link below this video, and see you in the next wave.